Hey, so I showed you how easy it is to install ROS with Pixi, but you probably don't just want to install a few ROS packages, you actually want to develop ROS packages. So in this example, I have a few little projects, for instance, a Python ROS package, just package.xml and a setup.py, and a CMake version, just a CMake list and again a package.xml. Pixi can actually understand these package.xmls, so we can define that we want to install, instead of using a version of something, we can say, hey, this path contains a package that I want to install, and then you can just use Pixi install to install this environment. I already did that, so I'll give you a little bit better example with a reinstall. What it will actually do, it will solve the environment, it will prepare the packages, meaning it will actually build them, and then after that install those packages into your environment. I will not bore you too much with this build because it's just a normal CMake or Python build, as you can see. But what I can show you is starting another terminal. I will quickly start the sim task, which is the Turtlesim, Pixi run sim. That will start up the Turtlesim, and I hope this is done. Yeah, so in this terminal, let's do Pixi run navigator. And as soon as the Turtlesim will pop up, I can run this. So let's run the navigator, and that navigates the Turtlesim. Doesn't really matter what the project does, but it shows you that you can easily install your own code and run projects directly by adding them as dependencies. This also works with Git dependencies. This also works with URLs, and that allows you to really easily use ROS projects in your Pixi environments. I hope this helps. Thank you.